Hello everyone, welcome to my weekly outlook for silver. So, like gold, silver also sold off about 4% on a single day, and this was actually slightly in line with the expectation where I expected silver to sell off once it got in the 18.5 to 19 region based on the previous support which existed and the previous resistance which existed here. So this was kind of in line with what I expected, but I really did not expect such a large sell-off. I thought it would bounce off the $18 region, but what we saw was it kind of took a respite near the 17.65 levels. What I feel is silver could move lower, it could move towards this entire area, and it would bounce off that. So currently, I'm not in any position with silver. I'm not long or short. I'm going to wait to see what's happening and try to understand what could happen. So I was long silver and I booked most of my position near the 18.5 region, so I was able to capture the entire move. And I was stopped out of a small part of my position when it broke this entire region here. So not too bad. I was long from this 17.35 region when it broke out right here. So it was a pretty good winner for me. It took some time, but a pretty good winner nevertheless. What's another interesting thing with silver is that what we've seen with silver is these massive moves every time it's shown signs of a change in trend. What we've seen is these massive moves, these massive red candles. What was surprising with this entire move upwards was there was no particular big move on a single day. It was just pretty much a drag. And what we saw this Thursday was this entire sell off was equivalent to about a week and a half worth of trading days. So that was about 7 to 8 trading sessions, if I'm not wrong. So it pretty much gave back all of its gains from the previous 8 trading sessions, which is just slightly concerning for someone who's bullish. Um, for me personally, since it's broken this entire pivot here, what it signaled to me is it's bullish for the long run, and as expected last week on the weekly chart, silver had these series of gains. So if you look at my analysis and my outlook for last week, you can hear me saying that this week would probably be a week where we could expect a sell-off. So that is what has happened. The sell-off has been larger than what I thought it would be. It looks like it's going to come back towards this region. So I'm going to keep an eye towards the 17.35 region. So I'm going to keep an eye there, and I'm going to try to buy off that region. Um, Other than that, for this week, I would expect silver to pretty much continue its move lower. We have the Fed interest rate decision in 2 weeks from now, in a week and a half, in fact, and I'm just going to try to be patient with this trade and see what exactly happens before taking any call. So that was it for my outlook for silver. Make sure you check out my outlook for gold, natural gas, and crude oil. And that was it. So I'll see you guys next week.